Alright, today I want to talk about some of the upgrades that we're doing to the Toyota A340. Everybody's hearing about the Stage 4. We've been promising that we were going to unveil it soon. It's been a lot of work in the making, but we're getting very close. So I wanted to talk about one of the things that was a big failure on the Stage 3 and lower transmissions once we got into the higher horsepower, and that is the front planetary splines. So what I have here is I have an original planetary from a Stage 3 unit that we're building, okay, and you can see that the splines are perfect, but there's a big groove cut into the splines from the factory for lubrication, and that lubrication is definitely important, but in a high performance application such as ours, if we could remake that and not have that groove in there, it would make this planetary quite a bit stronger. So what we did, let me show you one that failed first so you can get an idea. So here's one out of Pedro's car, the Baltic Supra, that we failed at FL2K a couple years ago. This one, you can see it has a lube slot in it. That lube slot allows this section of the planetary, there's not a lot of wall thickness between the two corners right there, so it tends to want to stretch out and it strips the spline out. Now all that's left is this one solid area of splines, but it's only 3/16 of an inch wide or so, so it fails right along with it. It can't hold it. So here's what we came up with. We came up with a solid through spline. Steel carrier with a 2024 aluminum back just to try to take some weight out of it. It allows us to take it apart, service the planetary if we want. It's a direct replacement for the original OE planetary. So if I take the factory ring gear and our new planetary with the splines, fits right together. Our sun shell with our billet second gear sprag on it, and everything goes right back together, and now you got a much stronger connection between the planetary and the output shaft. This is the spline. You can see it's kind of a shallow cut spline. It's nowhere near as thick as like the yoke for the drive shaft, so it's just inherent of the design, and we're going to make it better. And now with that, we got a much stronger spline engagement.